Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make liposomal glutathione at home. This powerful antioxidant is crucial for your body's health, and making it yourself can significantly boost its absorption. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients and essential tools to the step-by-step process, ensuring you create an effective supplement. Get ready to enhance your wellness journey with this simple, yet impactful, DIY method. To begin, let's gather our essential components. You'll need 1 tablespoon of reduced glutathione powder, which is the active form. Next, get 3 tablespoons of sunflower lecithin, crucial for forming the liposomes. And of course, 1 cup of distilled or purified water for purity. For equipment, a high-speed blender is necessary for initial mixing, and an ultrasonic cleaner is highly recommended for optimal liposome creation. Now, let's start the mixing process. First, dissolve your 1 tablespoon of glutathione powder in about 1/4 cup of warm distilled water. In your high-speed blender, combine the 3 tablespoons of sunflower lecithin with the remaining 3/4 cup of distilled water. Blend this mixture for approximately 2 minutes until it's well emulsified. Then, add your dissolved glutathione to this creamy lecithin mixture and blend for another minute. The final, crucial step is sonication. Carefully pour your blended mixture into a glass beaker or flask suitable for your ultrasonic cleaner. Place it in the cleaner and run it for 20 to 30 minutes. This ultrasonic energy is key to forming those tiny liposomes, significantly enhancing absorption. Once complete, transfer your homemade liposomal glutathione to a clean, airtight glass jar and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.